An acute angle has a measure between 0 and 90 degrees. A right angle has a measure exactly equal to 90 degrees. And an obtuse angle has a measure between 90 and 180 degrees. There are 4 special pairs of angles listed here. However, we'll only be talking about complementary angles and supplementary angles today. Complementary angles are a pair of angles whose sum of measure equals to 90 degrees. 40 degrees and 50 degrees angles are complementary angles because 40 degrees plus 50 degrees equals 90 degrees. A 40-degree angle is called the complement of the 50-degree angle. Similarly, the 50-degree angle is the complement of the 40-degree angle. Find the complement. So to find the complement, you would subtract whatever the angle was from 90. So for example, if we were asked to find the complement of 35 degrees, we would subtract 35 from 90. So 90 degrees minus 35 degrees equals the complement of 35 degrees. 90 minus 35 gives us 55. Therefore, the complement of 35 degrees is 55 degrees. When asked to find the complement of 48 degrees, we would subtract 48 from 90. So 90 minus 48 gives us our complement of 48. 90 minus 48 gives us 42. Therefore, 42 degrees is the complement of 48 degrees. When asked to find the complement of 12 degrees, we would say 90 minus 12 degrees equals its complement. Therefore, 90 minus 12 equals 78, which is the complement of 12 degrees. Supplementary angles are a pair of angles whose sum of measure equals 180 degrees. 60 and 120 degree angles are supplementary angles because 60 degrees plus 120 degrees equals 180 degrees. A 60 degree angle is called the supplement of the 120 degree angle. Similarly, the 120 degree angle is the supplement of the 60 degree angle. Find the supplement. To find the supplement of the 40 degree angle, we would subtract 40 from 180. So 180 degrees minus 40 degrees equals the supplement of 40 degrees. 180 minus 40 gives us 140. Therefore, 140 is the supplement of 40 degrees. To find the supplement of 126 degrees, we would subtract 126 from 180. So 180 minus 126 gives us 54. Therefore, 54 is the supplement of 126 degrees. To find the supplement of 72 degrees, we would subtract 72 from 180. 180 minus 72 gives us 108. So 108 degrees is equal to the supplement of 72 degrees. Here's a hint for remembering the difference between complementary and supplementary angles. The word complementary comes earlier in the alphabet, so let's correspond complementary with 90 degrees. Supplementary comes later in the alphabet, so let's correspond that with 180 degrees. Can two supplementary angles both be obtuse angles or acute angles? Why or why not? Two supplementary angles cannot both be obtuse or acute because their sum would be either greater than 180 degrees or less than 180 degrees respectively. Can two supplementary angles both be right angles? Why or why not? Two supplementary angles can both be right angles because by definition a right angle is 90 degrees and two right angles add up to be 180 degrees. Angle 1 and angle 2 are complementary. Solve for x and find the measure of both angles. Angle 1 is equal to the expression 5x plus 2, and angle 2 is equal to the algebraic expression 2x plus 4. The measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 equals 90 degrees since they're complementary. Therefore, we substitute 5x plus 2 for angle 1 and 2x plus 4 for angle 2 and still set them equal to 90 degrees. Combining like terms, we get 5x plus 2x equals 7x, 2 plus 4 equals 6. The next step is to subtract 6 from both sides. 90 minus 6 gives us 84. 7x equals 84. Next, we divide both sides by 7. So 7x divided by 7 equals 84 divided by 7. X equals 12. Next, we substitute the 12 for the x in the algebraic expression 5x plus 2. 5 times 12 plus 2 equals 60 plus 2, which equals 62. Then we substitute 12 for x and 2x plus 4. 2 times 12 plus 4 equals 24 plus 4, which equals 28. Angle 1 and angle 2 are complementary. Solve for x and find the measure of both angles. Angle 1 is represented by the algebraic expression 12x plus 4, and angle 2 is represented by the algebraic expression 9x plus 2. Since they're complementary, we add the two angles together. The measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 equals 90 degrees. We substitute the expressions for the angles, so 12x plus 4 plus 9x plus 2 equals 90. Next, we combine like terms. 12x plus 9x equals 21x, and 4 plus 2 equals 6. The next step is to subtract 6 from both sides. 21x equals 84. The next step is to divide both sides by 21. 21x divided by 21 equals 84 divided by 24. Therefore, x equals 4. The next step is to substitute the 4 back into the algebraic expressions. So 12 times 4 plus 4. 12 times 4 equals 48. 48 plus 4 equals 52. Now we have to substitute x, which equals 4, into angle 2. So 9 times 4 plus 2. 9 times 4 is 36, plus 2 equals 38. One of two complementary angles is 16 degrees less than its complement. Find the measure of both angles. The first step is to set angle 1 equal to x. The next step is to represent angle 2 in terms of angle 1. Therefore, if the complement is 16 degrees less, then it's x minus 16. Since they're complementary angles, the sum of the two angles is equal to 90 degrees. So the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 equals 90 degrees. The next step is to substitute the algebraic expressions. So x is angle 1 and x minus 16 is angle 2, and we set them equal to 90 degrees. The rest is algebra. We combine like terms. X plus x gives us 2x. 2x minus 16 equals 90. The next step is to add 16 to both sides. 90 minus 16 equals 106, so 2x equals 106. The next step is to divide both sides by 2. 2x divided by 2 equals 106 divided by 2. X equals 53. The next step is to substitute the 53 for x. And we're going to substitute again. 53 minus 16 equals 37. So the measure of both angles are 53 and 37, and x equals 53. One of two complementary angles is 36 degrees greater than its complement. Find the measure of both angles. The first step is to set the first angle equal to x. The next step is to represent the second angle in terms of the first angle. So here we're told that the complementary angle is 36 degrees greater than its complement. Therefore, we're going to use x plus 36 to represent the second angle. The measure of the two angles added together equals 90 degrees since they're complementary angles. The next step is to substitute the algebraic expressions for the measures of the angles. So x plus 36 equals 90. The rest becomes algebra. X plus x equals 2x. 2x plus 36 equals 90. Now we're going to subtract 36 from both sides. 90 minus 36 gives us 54. 2x equals 54. The next step is to divide both sides by 2. 2x divided by 2 equals 54 divided by 2. X equals 27. The next step is to substitute. X equals 27. 27 plus 36 equals 63. One of two complementary angles is 57 degrees greater than twice its complement. Find the measure of both angles. The first step is to set the first angle equal to x. The next step is to represent the second angle in terms of the first angle. Therefore, if one of the complementary angles is 57 degrees greater than twice its complement would be 2 times x, which is its complement, plus 57. The next step is to add both expressions together and set them equal to 90 degrees since they're complementary angles. So we're going to substitute x for the measure of angle 1 and 2x plus 57 for the measure of angle 2. The rest becomes algebra. X plus 2x gives us 3x, bring down the 57 and the 90. Now we're going to subtract 57 from both sides. Therefore, 3x equals 33. The next step is to divide both sides by 3. 3x divided by 3 equals 33 divided by 3. 3x divided by 3 equals x. 33 divided by 3 equals 11. The next step is to substitute. X equals 11. 2 times 11 plus 57. 22 plus 57 equals 79. One of two supplementary angles is 98 degrees greater than its supplement. Find the measure of both angles. The first step is to represent the first angle as x. The next step is to represent the second angle in terms of the first angle. Therefore, if the supplementary angle is 98 degrees greater than its supplement, x is a supplement, and we're going to add 98 because it's 98 degrees greater than its supplement. So it's x plus 98. Since they're supplementary angles, the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 equals 180 degrees. Next, we substitute the values, the algebraic expressions for the angles, into the equation. So x plus 98 equals 180. The rest becomes algebra. X plus x equals 2x. 2x plus 98 equals 180. The next step is to subtract 98 from both sides. 2x equals 82. The next step is to divide both sides by 2. 2x divided by 2 equals 82 divided by 2. X equals 41. The next step is to substitute. X equals 41. 41 plus 98 equals 139. One of two supplementary angles is 123 degrees less than twice its supplement. Find the measure of both angles. The first step is to let x represent the first angle. The next step is to represent the second angle in terms of the first angle. Therefore, twice the supplement, which is x, would be 2 times x, and then 123 degrees less than would be minus 123. Therefore, the second expression, or the expression for the second angle, would be 2x minus 123. The next step is to add the measures of the angles together and set them equal to 180 degrees since they're supplementary angles. Then we substitute the algebraic expressions. X plus 2x minus 123 equals 180. The rest becomes algebra. X plus 2x equals 3x. 3x minus 123 equals 180. Next, we add 123 to both sides. 3x equals 303. The next step is to divide both sides by 3. 3x divided by 3 equals 303 divided by 3. X equals 101. Next, we substitute. 2x minus 123. 2 times 101 minus 123 is equal to 202 minus 123 equals 79.